Is Bitcoin about to drop really big? Well, this is what we're going to cover today. As always, it's all about more likely the most probable waves. Keep in mind that right now we do have a lot of different possible configurations with the top right here, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the possible wave count we have right here. And also, as always, I'm trading everything based off the reaction, so to speak. I'm not in, for example, to place limits or whatever into the targets I'm going to give you. I'm just in the wave I'm going to bet on. I'm going to trade the reaction, so to speak. I'm going to read the order flow, so to speak. I'm going to read the data behind the market, okay, on Bybit. These are the data from Bybit, and from here I'm going to be able to make some informed trading decisions, such as, for example, what I've done just on the Discord server. By the way, this is absolutely free. It's for everyone. You have this channel right here where I'm posting my updates. As I said, for example, yesterday, if we start losing the path control here and the VWAP, then we're going to look for the naked session path control. And so we got the loss, so here it was a fake out. We got the loss here at the end of the path control and the VWAP. So the VWAP here, it was more the path control because the VWAP was otherwise also above at that time. We've got the loss, and so we went into a return, and from here I just said, hey, this is for me a valid scalp long, and so we've got a nice rise to the take profit one, and so it was a good decision because we got a drop next. So yeah, from here, that's why, yeah, this is very important to trade these based off the reaction, simply because we have many different possibilities. It's really something I just want you to be aware of before to start with all of this. Okay, so now, as you understood this, we're ready to start with it. So what do we have here? First of all, we have to check out the RSI. We see that this is just falling, but I absolutely agree, just breaking the wave one route here. So yeah, on the 1 hour, this is breaking the wave one route. On the 2 hours, sorry, this is really close to the wave one route. So again, this is not a full invalidation we have right now. For me, this is still valid until we really start breaking the RSI. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna update on the Discord server what we have to look for. So really, join the Discord server. This is the place I am very active, more than YouTube. Okay, but yeah, I just want to let you know, of course, here on YouTube too. But if you want to really be aware of, first, join the Discord server. Everything is in there, and for absolutely free. Okay, this is really for absolutely free. But anyway, so here, if we make a new low here, what it means, you can see that the low is not here, but here on the RSI, what it means that we have a possible ABC flat right now. We have this possible pan, and why I am looking at this, it's simply also because we do have the possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves we have to the downside here. Again, there are some people that are going to tell me, yes, but if you have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the wave 4 here cannot break the wave 1 top. This is not possible. Yes, you're right, but this is for an impulsive. If you're in an ending or in a leading, so to speak, when you have a wedge like this, it's because this is a leading or an ending. When you have a leading or an ending, the wave 4 can break the wave 1 top. It just cannot break the wave 2 bottom, of course, but it can stop between the wave 1 and the wave 2 here. Okay, so something important to understand. So the thing is, now what we have to do is simply to pull the extension tool from the A wave root, sorry, here to the A wave bottom to the B wave top. Again, the thing is this a very low or not? I don't know, because the thing is we have only this week on Coinbase, so maybe it's more better to pull it like this. Okay, and so in that case we have these targets to be aware of. First target, MC extension. Okay, as you can see, we are already into the 7x6 service. We can remove the 61871, have the 7x6 here, so this is the target number 1. Then we'll have the 120 extension, then we'll have the 123, sorry, oops, and then we have, so 123, and then we have the 1618 maximum target. Okay, as we're in a very strong uptrend, we normally prefer to bounce from the first targets, really. Okay, to do a running flat because we're in a very strong uptrend. And so next we're going to look for this possible wave 5. So here in that case we'll have a correction. Okay, correction, and then we'll have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this is just a possible wave count. Remember, we have a lot of different possible wave count at the moment. For example, this wave 5 can already be done, and we're already in the wave 3 here, and we're already in the wave 4. This is absolutely valid. So in that case, we can look for that wave 4. If we start making something really bigger here to the downside, we just remove this 5 and just get something really bigger for these 5 waves. I'm going to take more likely the wave 4 here. But again, I'm going to cover this right after. I just want to stay with the most probable for the moment to not make it too complex. So anyway, here, once we're done with this wave 4 right here, okay, again, don't forget the RSI, extremely important. Okay, we cannot break that low. As you can see, we already have done this on the 3 hours. I mean, we don't have the current close yet, so we need to get the current close to do it, and we have 1 hour, 2 hours left, so it's fine. And here on the 2 hours, it's very close, but still, as you can see, we do not break the wave 1 route, so the wave 2 bottom, sorry, on the other side, so it's fine. Okay, so now normally we should look, I'm gonna pull it like this. Yeah, 2316 like this is hit, by the way. And if I pull, by the way, the extension tool like that, just to see, we got a bounce from the 618. Yes, okay, nice. So yeah, it's all about normally in this zone, really we have to be aware of. Okay, we really have to be aware of all of this zone of price. Okay, so like this, it's already hit. I'll prefer like that, to be honest. So all of this, okay, normally we have to be aware of, but as always, when you're in a strong uptrend, you can bounce even before that. It's absolutely something possible. Normally we shall go, you know, minimum into the 2316 here, but yeah, if we're in a very strong uptrend, we can do something smaller than this. Okay, it's like, for example, in a wave 2, we have more chance to reach the 56.66%. We have 70% chance to do it. As you can see, sometimes we don't. We just go and stop on the 23.16 even before the 30 because we do a very big push to the upside next. So that's why it's the same for the wave 4. We can bounce before. Normally we shall go into this 3 fips here, but sometimes we can bounce before because it's a very strong uptrend, right? So yeah, in that case, what we can do here to determine the wave 5 target, we just need to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root, okay, to the wave 1 top, to the wave 4 bottom. So let's take the case that we have done the 5 waves in the C, that the wave 4 is done, and so now we are into the wave 5. Okay, so for the wave 5, we need right here, okay, for the wave 5 right there, we need to get a 5 waves impulsive here start, or a leading to the upside to start this wave 5 for really people that want to look at a smaller time frame. From here, you pull with third clearance stood on the wave 4 bottom. Let's take the case, sorry, that this is a bottom, so we can look first of all for the 618. Right here, then we have the 120 extension, 100%, then we have the 1618, and then we have the 2618, 261 point right here, last target. Okay, so these are the targets if we have to bounce from here, get the rise directly here. Okay, I'm just gonna remove all of this because we have a lot of fibs otherwise. But yeah, so this is the plan right now at the moment. If I have to update this to let you know that this is more likely done like this, okay, so to speak, the wave 3 was done here, we are in that case in the wave 4, and we're going to look for the wave 5. Or even, if you remember good, there is another scenario where we're just going to drop from here. It is possible, but in the case we have done a lot of truncated wave 5, so this is less probable, but still valid. And so this is what, you know, I was talking about, by the way, in today's update. If we have done the wave 5 already on that top, okay, I'm going to hide this ABC flat because otherwise, yeah, perfect. So to speak, if we have done this, let me just, bam, this will be the ABC flat, and this will be the wave 5, bam. So I can show you all of this. So yeah, I don't know if you remember here, but again, if you don't know about what I'm looking at really on the high time frame, I highly recommend you to go and watch these 2 videos here. Bearish plan and the bullish plan. As a trader, you have to be aware of both scenarios. You cannot just be looking for 8,000 or only for 15,000. You have to be prepared for every possible move. So you have to watch these 2, in my opinion. This is really important, so you can understand really what we can expect and why we can absolutely just drop from here and not get any bounce. Okay, that's why it's very important at the moment to still trade everything based off the reaction. If there is no good data for the trade, there is just no reason to take the trade, right? So the thing is now, if you remember good, this morning I was talking about this. You can be done with a wave 4 like this, with a wave 5 like this, and so in that case now you either have the wave 3 top like that. Okay, that is really the less probable scenario. Okay, I really want you to understand. I covered the most probable wave count with the ABC flat, and I'm going to move to some low probability wave count. I mean, less probable really. Why? Because we have done some truncated wave and all this stuff, so it's less probable. So here in that case we have done the bigger wave 3 top. We are going to look for the wave 4, and next we're going to look for the wave 5. Okay, so in that case we pull the retracement tool like this from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root. And in that case here, we look for the wave 4 target. So this will become, in that case, the buy zone for the wave 4 to get a bounce. Okay, this will be the wave 4 target. And then we're going to look for the wave 5. So bam, we can look for this wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. So let's take the case that we do 23.6 because this is a really strong trend we've got. So let's take this. Then in that case, 618 first target. Then we'll have the 120 extension. Then we'll have the 1618, and then we'll have the 2618. Now, the thing is, if we start getting a wave 4 that break everything here, that get acceptance below the 38.2 here, then this is a lot less probable. We are still in this configuration, and in that case it means more likely that we'll have done this, right? That we'll have done the bearish wave count, that we'll have done the ABC zigzag, the C wave is done here, and now we are simply looking for this possible higher time frame WXY here to plays out, and this was just a really big trap for the longs. Okay, so just be aware of that. Never be only bullish, only bearish. Be aware of both, and just class the scenarios by probabilities and trade them next based. I mean, the targets where you plan trade is based off the reaction. Again, this is the way I'm trading. I can tell it's working well now. Every trade is different. Maybe you don't like it. It's really up to you, and that's fine if you don't like it, right? You have your own methods. But anyway, so this will be yeah, these are all different possibilities. Keep in mind that the ABC fine is the most probable. Now, yeah, I'll show you the less probable wave count to be aware of. In case we do something else, you're prepared and ready for the next move. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the content. If you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. Very, very important. And don't forget also to join the Discord server. This is where really I'm posting everything, such as, for example, I'm just telling you that these are some good scalps. I've done this twice, yesterday and today, and we've got some good trades. You also have some good trades I'm sharing with some MC strategy. This was, for example, the low we've done. We've got a very, very, very nice rise from here. So this was, I mean, this was a plan. For example, here we've got this very nice bounce from here. I mean, this is, look at this. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, yeah, just join Discord server. Really have a lot of content and it's absolutely free. But anyway, have a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.